026 99137. Now we're very pleased to have a young lady with us. She was on the other day there for a bit of an interview, called Sophie Shields. And Sophie lives just outside Maghera. Sophie, tell us, when did you start singing?
Well, he started singing, I think he was about 7 years old, in the wee Orange Hall in Maghera, and I was asked to sing by Lady Ulster-Scots all those years ago. Took off from there.
Well, I hear you write songs too. I never knew that. When did this start?
Well, I just started recently there for university. One of my assignments was to compose a piece of music, and it didn't really start there. That started professionally there, I suppose you could say. But I wrote a piece tonight, and it's a somber piece. It started off as a poem actually, but I thought it would be nicer to put the music. So.
Right. Well, what do you call this piece?
It's called The Heart of the Widow.
Well, could you sing it for us?
Good, sir.
Right. Thank you very much, Sophie. Well, that was certainly beautiful and different. I noticed there when you were singing there that you were pronouncing all your words correctly. Of course, you were trained to do that, weren't you?
Yeah, I was trained in high school by a girl called Julie Craig. She's now married. She's Julie Harper now. She was a great teacher. I had her for a few years.
And did you do breathing exercises?
I did a lot of breathing exercises.
And could you give us a little bit of information about that? How you were told how to do it?
Well, basically, it was always drummed into me to support and to strengthen my muscles around my diaphragm. So, like, for example, you would try breathing in for 10 seconds and then breathing out through your mouth for 10 seconds. Just wee exercises like that.
Yeah, so well, it certainly has revealed itself there in your singing there. A lot of people, when they're singing, they have great difficulty getting up to the high notes because they're not using their throat right and their diaphragm right, and we certainly enjoy that. Now, have you ever thought of making a CD or anything like that, or are you considering going down that way at all?
Well, I'm in a wee praise group at the minute. It's at Bridgeview Pentecostal, and we've recently made a wee CD there, and we've distributed it out to a few homes, so I'm sure some people out there have heard of it. But as for one on my own, maybe sometime in the future, who knows?
So you sing a bit of gospel too?
I do, yes.
Well, that's nice to know. What are you going to sing for us?
Last piece I'm going to sing is called "There's a New Song." It's quite a modern gospel song.
Right. You just